Alright, I'm using YouTube to add some subtitles. So I've created my advertisement and I've uploaded it to my YouTube channel. And I'm going to hit edit. And then over here, you have subtitles, and I want to add new subtitles. They'll tell you to pick the language, so you're going to write them in English. And then this is what you get, and then you create new subtitles or closed captions. And you get a window that looks like this. It seems super confusing at first, and it sort of is. Basically, you've got this little red button where you can see where you are in your video. So you really have to know what's in your video. And I actually have my phone next to me with my Spanish script so that I can see what my Spanish script was. You guys will probably have already written it out, so you're just kind of copying and pasting. But for here, I have to kind of do this. So each person with a house has at least 2 devices, but the majority have more than 12. So that's my first thing, and I enter that, and then I see this down here. So this is where I can stretch it over where this, where I want it said, so that over those few seconds, it's going to be showing up. Then I can use this bar to like move along in my video. So you really just have to know what you said. I also found that I did a few of them. I hit save because I wanted to see if they worked. And then I went back, and then I went back in to enter more, and I had to delete what I'd already done. So this, if you're going to use the YouTube way of adding subtitles, you have to do it all in one fell swoop. So I'm just going to do some more to just demo this. These devices help us, but, and then I'm going to add my other stuff. So these devices help us, but then right here I want to have what happens when we don't want them anymore, question mark. All right, boom. So then this will go over this, and I want this to go up to here. All right. So like, do you know that fridges contain mercury and other chemicals? Question mark, enter. So I want that to be over the picture of the fridge, and then I think I go into, I think there's a picture of recycled fridges. Maybe not. All right, so I want that there. And other dangerous chemicals, and then I'm going to get to those dangerous chemicals. So this is how you add subtitles using YouTube. I hope that I'm going to go to all this trouble. It is 8:30 at night and I'm getting a little tired, but I wanted to try to have an example for you all. So I hope that it actually works when I show it in class tomorrow. I guess we'll find out. But I'm just going to do a few more just to kind of show you what's going on. So the chemicals, PCB, CFC, and HCFC with mercury. Oh, so wait a minute. PCB, right, CFC, HCFC with mercury, and this would be so much easier had I written this out all in English and was just copying and pasting. I probably could have done that. So I definitely recommend you do that. Are necessary for the use of the fridges, but at the end of the life, at the end, they are dangerous for the environment. So let's spread that out over out of all these. Let's spread it out over all of it here. I mean, the video is a few minutes long. Whoa, okay, now I way went to the end. So it's a little fickle, but now I've tripped it up and now it's not going back because now it's thinking. So I've totally freaked it out a little bit. Oh, because I didn't enter this well. Okay. but you see it is going to show it up at the bottom. So highly recommend, after you've written your Spanish, then you write it all out in English so that you're just copying and pasting the parts if you so choose to use this program.